Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort. The category that we're in right now is an ocean view, so it's a junior suite ocean view, and you can actually purchase it either as a standard category or as a preferred club. I'll talk a little bit more about the preferred club upgrades as we go, but the rooms are exactly the same except for a few amenities in room and a ton of amenities outside the room. So follow along. As soon as you walk in the door here to the left, you've got your Dreams box right here. This is where they're gonna drop off your room service. I love that. You order coffee in the morning, or even if you order room service in the evening, they just put it in there. You don't have to go to the door, worry about that. I think it's just a nice little touch to have the handoff that way. You've got your storage right here. The first is going to be up and down here. You've got several shelves. You have your closed steamer. It's a great touch that they have in there for you to utilize. And then right over here, you're gonna have your robes. You also have your safe, more hanging storage up above and down below as well. Now into the master bathroom. You've got a large double vanity. I know my wife and I always appreciate that. I really like that here. You've got your hair dryer. You also have the backlit magnifying mirror and your upgraded preferred club amenities right here. So because this is preferred club room, right there you're gonna get some extra features inside there, like a shaving kit and different things that you may have forgotten, but it's just a great little enhanced amenity kit. Now over here you got a little more storage. You have the signature incense that they always have at Dreams and Secrets. You light that up and it's kind of that memory coming back from a previous trip. Now over here to my left, you're gonna have the toilet, and right here is the shower. It's a large shower. You've got the rainforest shower head. You're also gonna have the shower wand right there. Got a little clothesline. You can dry off your bathing suit, and then right down to the left, you're gonna have your bench that also can double as a place to put your foot if you need to shave your legs. So now we continue on into the bedroom space. You've got luggage storage over here above and below. You've got your drawers here for storage and a flat panel smart TV that's directly across from the bed. Now this particular configuration is set up as a full king size bed. It also has a 2 queen variety, and when you do that, you're gonna have a smaller couch, and I'll show you when I head over there. So on the side of the bed, you've got your temperature control. I really do appreciate that you can turn it down a few degrees in the evening. You've got a USB charger, and then down here on the wall, you're also gonna have 2 different plugs as well. So continuing on to the other side, you've got a nice bench at the end of the bed, perfect place to sit, put your shoes on, and then on the other side, you're gonna have a USB charger. You also have a couple more plugs on the wall here, and you're also gonna have the do not disturb and makeup room. It's important to note that this is where they are. I like it there because when you go to bed in the evening, you can hit the button, but when you're walking out the door, it's not there where it is in most places. Continuing along, because this is a preferred club room, you've got this upgraded snacks and a few extra bits of alcohol here. You're gonna have your Nespresso maker. You can get those pods replenished as often as you like throughout your time here. And you're also gonna have this mini fridge. It's fully stocked now, and they'll stock it as you like and replenish it throughout your stay. Now over here you have a small desk. You've got chargers right there, but the best feature right here is the tablet. You're gonna have this in every room. And what I love about it, it's kind of replaced the program. You can check out information on the dining, restaurant menus, things like that, the spa, tours. But what I love is you can actually order room service right here on the tablet. They're gonna deliver it right to the Dreams box there, and you don't have to worry about that interaction or rushing to get ready to head to the door. Nice little luxury touch there. On the other side, you have this large couch. It's got a nice chaise lounger, perfect place to read, or in my case, take a dad nap. And right here, you're gonna have a pull-out bed. What I love about the beds here is they're really comfy for a pull-out, which isn't necessarily the norm at a beach resort. So now I'm out on the private veranda. So with the ocean view, you've got a great view out to the ocean directly in front of me. You've got a small couch over here to the side, and you also have this great soaking tub with, once again, a glass partition, so you have incredible views out to the ocean. Now keep in mind that this can be purchased as either a standard lead-in category or you can do preferred club. Now I mentioned the amenities inside, but outside of there, you're also gonna have access to the incredible palapas and the private preferred club bar on the beach. They have Bali beds that you can utilize throughout your stay. They also have the Bali beds all the way around the pool complex here as well. In addition to that, when you check in, you're gonna check in the preferred club lounge. It's a great space. It's also a bar, and you can utilize it throughout the entire stay. It's a nice quiet area. They've got food in there, and then of course you can take advantage of the concierges. Now from the family side, one of the best bonus amenities is the preferred club lazy river, but basically it's just a way to upgrade your entire experience. So if you're somebody who likes the VIP access and a little extra throughout the entire stay, it may be something that makes a lot of sense for you. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets throughout the Caribbean and Mexico, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know them inside and out. We have a great relationship with them, and we know that we can help create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.